It's July 21st, 2013, Sunday morning, and I've just completed installing the computer that I built into the computer room, replacing the old computer that was 8 to 10 years old. And I'm on the internet at YouTube watching Scorch82 play Bully in high definition. This is Mike, by the way. On my 25.5-inch monitor. Connected using a Netgear 3700 router and a Motorola Surfboard cable modem. Connected at gigabit high speed. Looks like the Bully got beat up there. Anyway, this is my configuration. There's my power switching system that I've had for many years. I bought for like $80 at Radio Shack about 15 years ago. Still works great. A couple simple speakers. And of course, the newly built PC. I wanted to show you the end product. Connected HDMI. Here's Cleo. Our cat. You can see him right there. There he is. There, Cleo. Hey, Cleo. Yeah, the boys. Oh, the door, the boy. Yeah, oh, yeah, you yeah, why? Yeah. Here he is. Here's that Cleo. Here's the computer. I put some blue accent lights inside. One shining down from the top up there. One over to the side over here. GTX 770 video card with 2 gigs of memory. Z87 Asus motherboard, 1150 socket, 4th generation, 32 gigabytes of memory, 1200 watt power supply, Wi-Fi, because it's the motherboard is a Asus Z87 Deluxe. So it comes with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This is a little antenna here. It sits on there magnetically, wherever you want to put it. A large fan on the top, blowing air out. Fan in the back blowing air out. Power supply blowing the hot air out. We got a intake fan on the front. We got a filter, built-in filter. It's easy to remove and clean. There's a filter on the bottom where the power supply is also. Got a hot swap right here. Just open it up. Plug your 3.5, 5.25 drive down into there. You got the switch here that will make the accent, the blue accent lighting light up higher. Oop. Ran into my printer. So let's turn some lights off. And see how the case looks in the dark. Not too bad. Chat, Cleo. Chat. Oops. Oh, chat. Sorry about that. Got a fan in there that's also using blue LED lighting. Helps light the whole case up very nicely. "32 gigabytes of memory. My old system only had 2. Minimal cabling showing. For the archive. Oh, nice, and in my chair. What you doing in my chair there, Cleo? Well, I took a few pictures of it, and just standard plug-in. Actually using less wiring than I used before. I do plan on getting a power backup. Plug the CPU into the monitor. And probably another graphics card. I'm going to put another one in beside that one. Beside the NVIDIA GTX 770. I'll probably get another one just like it. You can hear the computer. I thought it would be quieter, but it's not bad. At least I have filtering to keep the dust, or most of the dust, out. And I sat it here on a wooden table. No use in putting it underneath the computer desk where I had the old one, where you can't see the beauty, the eye candy. I'm so pumped up about it. It's really nice. Turned out really well. Anyways, I'll take you in here to show you where I built the system. My wife wanted me to get out of here, so I'm out. So now she's got her exercise craft room back. Now I'll have to rewind that so I can watch it, what I've missed. Anyways, I thought everybody out there that had watched my build would want to see the end result. This is the end result. It's beautiful. And that's it for the build. Maybe next I'll be building a media center, or a server, or both. So that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.